अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 72, topic number 127. अन्यस्तु चार्वाकः अन्योन्तर आत्मा मनोमयः इत्यादि श्रुतेः मनसि सुक्ते प्राणादेरभावात् अहं संकल्पवान् अहं विकल्पवान् इत्यादि अनुभवाच्च मन आत्मेति वदति. The author Sadananda, talking about the Vishesha Adhyaropa in this third chapter. Second chapter, he has presented the Samanya Adhyaropa. Samanya Adhyaropa means general superimposition. General superimposition is called Samanya Adhyasa or Samanya Adhyaropa. Specific superimposition is called Vishesha Adhyaropa. Vishesha Adhyaropa is called specific superimposition. What is superimposition? Superimposition is that superimposing, seeing one thing as other, seeing something upon the other is called superimposition. Seeing one thing upon the other is called superimposition. In Samanya Adhyaropa, the creation is superimposed on that Brahman, that Chaitanyam. The universe is superimposed. The universe is superimposed upon the Brahman. In Vishesha Adhyaropa, the same, the individual superimpose the body-mind complex upon the Brahman. This is individual superimposition. Individual superimposition. The body-mind superimposition, specific superimposition upon oneself is called superimposition upon oneself. So, superimposition is another name for creation. Superimposition is another name for creation. So, creation is equal to superimposition. Creation is equal to Adhyaropa, superimposition. So, therefore, Adhisthana Atma, superimposition and Adhisthana Atma upon oneself. Adhisthana Atma is hidden. Upon Adhisthana Atma, I superimpose this body, mind, complex It is specific superimposition. So first it is universe superimposition, samanya adhyaropa, universe superimposition. Then I superimpose on myself specific superimposition, vishesha adhyaropa. That is what we are seeing in the third chapter. In this specific superimposition, vishesha adhyaropa, there are so many systems of philosophies. Superimposition is wrong. The superimposition lo, these wrong perception lo, many wrong perceptions. Wrong perceptions are many. What are those many wrong perceptions we are seeing? From the Pranatmavadi, from the Putratmavadi. Putra is Atma, first Atmavadi. So, first Putratmavadi says Putra is Atma, my son is Atma. Then comes what? Dehatmavadi. Deha is Atma, Putra is not Atma. So Dehatmavadi negating Putratmavadi. Deha alone is Atma. Body alone is Atma. This Dehatmavadi onwards, they are all come under Charvakas. I told you Charu Vakana. Charu means very, very nice, sweet words. Vak means speech. The one who speak a flowery language is called Charvak. Charvak. Charu plus Vak, Charvak. So this Charvaka Dehatmavadi quotes from that Upanishad Taitriyam. Annamaya Kosha is Atma. And Pranatmavadi comes, Annamaya is not Atma. Prana alone is Atma. Another second Charvaka. So Pranatmavadi. Dehatmavadi over. The third misconception is what? Pranatmavadi. I don't want to elaborate it because we have seen already. Then Prana is not Atma, Manas alone is Atma. Mana Atmavadi. Mind alone is Atma. There is no Atma other than mind. Mind alone is Atma. That is what here we are seeing, 127th topic. Anyastu Charvakaha, the other Charvaka is Anyontara Atma Manomayaha. Beautifully, he also quotes Taittiriya Upanishad. Anyontara Atma Manomayaha. Because Upanishad itself says Atma. Upanishad itself says Atma, Manomaya, Atma. So Upanishad also confuses, no? Many times, as though. Upanishad never confuses, but as though. How Upanishad use this word Atma? Temporarily, Upanishad also accept for times being. For time being, you accept Manas as Atma. But Upanishad is going to negate later. So, Upanishad says, Ityadi Shrutehe, this person says, since the Upanishad, Shruti means Upanishad quotes, Manasi Sukte Pranadehe Abhavat. Once you are sleeping, Manasi Sukte, when you are sleeping, mind is passive. Passive. The prana is not working there, as though not working, actively not functioning. Prana dehe. Prana is as though functioning in deep sleep without your interference. But mind is functioning. In swapna is coming, no, deep. In dream, no, mind is active. In dream, mind is active. Prana dehi abhavaha means absence. Sankalpa vikalpavan aham ityadi. Who is there in dream? Are you remembering prana? In sleep, you get a dream. When you get a dream, you are not remembering the prana. Mind is active. Mind projecting all the vasanas. So many thoughts are coming, lot of dreams are coming. Therefore, sankalpa vikalpavan aham. I am sankalpavan. I do decisions. Sankalpavan means thinking for, vikalpavan means thinking against. Many thoughts come many times. What way? For and against. So I want to do this, sankalpa. I want to do this. I want to go there. This is sankalpa. Vikalpa is what? Whether to go or not. Whether to go or not. This is called vikalpa. Against. So sankalpa vikalpavan aham ityadi anubhavaha. There is anubhava. This is experience. Every day we are experiencing. Every day we are experiencing anubhavaha atma iti vadati. This Charvaka says, because of this experience, anubhavaha, my own experience, mind alone is important. Mind alone is atma. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we enter into the next topic, 128. How Atma he takes, I am Atma, mind. In the mind there are emotions. Emotions rise. What type of emotions? Happiness, sadness, so many emotions. Love, kindness, affection, all these are emotions. Once emotions arise, what do you say? I am happy, you say. I have happiness and chollamatar. I have sadness, I am happy, I am sad. So I have taken myself as sadness. So all emotions I take as myself. Anubhavam thane? Enna sollanum? I have anger and sollanum. I am angry and sollanum. Anger is an emotion. Yes? I have anger. We never say like that. I am angry. Na kovakari and solluvom. Na kovakari illa. Kovakari and I am angry. The anger you have taken as yourself. So it takes place where? In the mind. So therefore mind is what? Myself. Atma. Then another person comes. Next Charvaka. Next Charvaka means fourth Charvaka is coming. Who is that? He is not Charvaka. Here we can give a different name. Bauddha. He is called Bauddha. Buddhist. Yogachara Buddhist. We will read this topic. 128. Bauddhastu Anyontara Atma Vijnanamayah Ityadi Shrutehe Karturabhavim Karanasya Shakyabhavadaham Kartaham Bhoktityadi Anubhavacham Buddhiratmeti Vadati means vad means to say, to utter. He says, Buddhist philosopher, Yogachara philosopher who follow Buddha. Buddha is one. His systems of philosophy splitted into 4. Sunyavada, Kshanika Vijnanavada, Yogachara, Madhyamika, like 4 varieties of Buddhisms. These are internal differences. Internal differences. This Buddhist Yogachara says, one among the 4 groups, he says, Bauddhastu, that 2 indicate Vyavratyartham, unlike previous Charvakas. Whereas this Buddha says, what he says, Anyontara Atma Vijnana Mayaha. Anyaha means other. Antara, interior, inner. Anyaha Antaraha. There is another internal Atma other than mind. Mind is external. Mind Antara means inside. There is one Atma. That is Atma Vijnana Mayaha. In Mylapore, we are seeing Taittiriya Upanishad. So you can enjoy now thoroughly. Atma Vijnana Mayaha. That Vijnana is Atma. Taittiriya Upanishad says Ityadi Adipadat. Other Shrutis also says Ityadi Shrutehe. Now he gives the reason. What are all 3 reasons we are seeing? Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava. Shruti is what Shruti here? Taittiriya Upanishad. So Taittiriya Upanishad is the Shruti. That Shruti has mentioned, and now he gives Yukti. Karturabhavena. Karanasya Shakyabhavat. Karta is absent. When Karta is absent, Karanam is useless. Manas come under Karanam. Antaha Karanam. Mind is internal instrument. Antaha means inner. Karanam means instrument. So Antaha Karanam is an instrument. Instrument is useful as long as that person who uses the instrument. For example, this clip is an instrument. If I use this clip, I am Karta. What is this? Karana. Whatever I use, they are all come under Karanam. Your specs come under what? Karanam. Specs are useless when the person, user is not there. Karta, the user is not there. Specs are useless. They are Karanam. Chakshuhu, Karanam. So that specs are useless if I, the Karta, is not there. Similarly, mind to use, I, the Karta, Vijnana Atma is required. Buddhi is required. Buddhi is required, that is why Vijnanamaya Karturhu Abhave. Abhave means absence. Abhave Sati. When Karta, the doer of that action using the instrument, is not there, Abhave. Kartuhu, the doer. Abhave, absence. Karanasya Shakyabhavaha. The Karanam cannot function. Shakti in the power. The power of that Karanam instrument, Abhavat. Abhavat means absent. This is called Yukti, logic. Logical reason. Yukti. Karanasya Shakti Abhavat. Therefore, Aham Karta. What I say? Aham Karta. I am the doer. Then Aham Bhokta. Aham Bhokta. I am the enjoyer. I am the user of the specs. I am the enjoyer of the benefit of that specs. நிறைய பேர் கண்ணாடி போட்டுன்னு இருக்கு, அதுக்கு தான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். Similarly, what the pen you are using is a karanam. Pen is karanam. I am using that pen. So I am the karta. And I am enjoying the benefit of writing. That bhokta. I can read my notes, the lesson, I am the bhokta, enjoyer. Book is also a karanam. I am using the book to read the lesson. I am enjoying the lesson. I hope so. Enjoying? Okay. So, I am the bhokta. I am the karta. I am the bhokta. Therefore, person says, I am karta, I am bhokta. Therefore, mind comes under instrument. Mind comes under instrument. I am vijnanam, karta, atma. Mind is my instrument. I am the vijnana, buddhi. I am the atma, he says. So, buddhihi atma iti. This is anubhava. Okay, this is my anubhava, experience. Therefore, buddhihi atma iti vadati. Yogachara Buddhist says, buddhihi atma bhavati. So, buddhi is nothing but a series of thoughts. Mind is a location, a locus in which where thoughts arise. Nischayatmika buddhihi. Nischayatmika, series of thoughts arise in the mind. Each thought is a conscious flow. I am conscious of my thought. That is called vijnanam. I am the knower of the thought which arise in the mind instrument. Mind is an instrument in which thought arise. That is called vijnanam. That is called vijnanam. It is conscious flow. So therefore, this thought, how many thoughts are coming? Are you counting? Daily count your thoughts? Impossible. Each thought is fleeting. No? Each thought is fleeting. One after the other. Kshenikam. Kshenikam. How many minutes the thought will stay? We do not know. Fraction of second also we cannot say. So some thoughts will stay sometimes, some thoughts will stay even less than like that. That's why this person says he has come to conclusion moments. Momentary. This is called momentary consciousness. Kshenika vijnanam. Therefore he is called, Yogachara is called Kshenika vijnana vadi. Kshenika vijnana vadi. Kshenika means momentary. Vijnana means vijnana. Consciousness. We can take consciousness. I am conscious of. Is it what? Knowledge or not? It's knowledge. Vijnana. I am conscious of. So, momentary consciousness is called Kshenika Vijnanam. Therefore, it is Atma. This is one philosophy, one system of philosophy in Buddhists. Next, Mimamsakas are going to come. Another misconception. Another is superimpositions. How many you see? So many superimpositions. Now let us enter into 129 Mimamsakas views. Prabha, we will read now. Prabhakara tarkikautu Anyantara atmanandamaya ityadi shrutehe buddhyadinam ajnane layadarshanat aham ajñah aham jnaniti ityadi anubhavacha ajnanamatmeti vadatah. Another view, one more left out in Panchakoshas, Anandamaya Kosha. After Vijnana, Upanishad says, Anyomtara Atma Vijnanamayaha Anyomtara Atma Anandamayaha. So, interior to Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya is there. Therefore, Anandamaya is Atma. Ityadi Shritehe. What is Yukti he gives? Logic he gives behind. Before going to that, I would like to introduce this person. No? A great scholar is called Prabhakara. He is a great philosopher, a Mimamsaka, who believes in Veda. All of them believe in Veda, but they look at it wrongly. Prabhakara, the followers of Prabhakara are called as Prabhakara. The Mimamsaka name is Prabhakara. His followers are called as Prabhakara. And some philosophers, logicians also, Tarkikaha. Tarkikaha, logicians and Mimamsakas. And the Mimamsakalo again two varieties. And the two varieties, one variety Prabhakara Matam. The Prabhakara and Tarkika both are having same view. That's why he says, Sadananda says, Prabhakaraha Tarkikauna. Ditya. Prathama Vibhakti Divachanam. Prabhakara and Tarkika Kauna. So, they quote this Anyamtaratma Anandamaya is Atma. Anandamaya Atma. This Prabhakara Matam are logicians, not are, and logicians. Logicians are Tarkika. Tarkika means Nyaya Vaisheshika systems of philosophies put together, logicians, Tarkikas. Nyaya and Vaisheshika systems of philosophies are called as Tarkika or logicians. These logicians, both of them, they say Buddhyadinam Ajnane Laya Darshanad. When you go to deep sleep, he is asking the Buddhist Yogachara, you are talking Vijnanamaya is Atma. I will ask you, this Yogachara is asking him, not me. He is not asking Advaitin. He is asking that Yogachara, when you go to deep sleep, what Vijnanam you have got? You know what? Ajnane. You are in ignorance. In deep sleep, you are ignorant. Ajnane. When you are ignorant, Laya Darshanat, this Vijnana is dissolved. That's why you don't remember your wife, husband, children, house. What Vijnanam is there for us there? There is no Vijnanam. So, Laya Darshanat. Aham Ajnaha. I am ignorant. We say, after I was ignorant in my sleep. We say, this is called Karana Shariram. From Sharira standpoint, if you talk, see, you have to be very, very alert. Okay, sleep Varnamanna is the best class. If I am not alert, because subject is very, very subtle, very, very technical also. Therefore, we have to keep very, very alert mind. So, the Karana Shariram is called Ananda Maya Kosha. Panchakoshas, if you divide into 3 Sharirams, Sthula Shariram comes under Annamaya Kosha. Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha and Vijnanamaya Kosha come under Sushma Shariram. So what Shariram left out? Karana Shariram. That Karana Shariram is called Anandamaya Kosha. 5 Koshasni 3 Sharirams are divide pannitam. Care of Tattva Bodha, idella preliminaries. So Karana Shariram, the author didn't mention here, but we have to supply. That Anandamaya is Karana Shariram. I don't experience the world. Ajnanam is there in Karana Shariram or in Anandamaya. Therefore, I don't experience the world. Even I don't experience myself also. Do you remember your degrees, your salary, your job? Even you don't remember your body. You are male or female, housewife, mother. You remember? I am fair, I am tall. I don't experience the world. Even I don't experience myself. That is why he says, Aham Ajnaha. Ajnaha, I don't know anything. I don't know about my body also. My marandi tungiradunchuna. You forget everything. Ajnaha. Aham Ajnani. I am ignorant. I don't know anything. Aham Ajnaha. I don't know anything. I am Ajnani. I am ignorant. What is the difference? Aham Ajnaha. I am ignorant. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Aham Ajnaha. I am Ajnani chunna. I am ignorant person. That's the meaning. Ajnani iti. Anubhavacha. This is my experience. Anubhavacha. So, that's why body is like a corpse body. Jada Rupaha. Palm pona kuda theriyadu vadam mele. Even the snake moves upon your body, you do not know. It is as good as a log of wood. That's why early morning you have to take bath, why immediately. It is as good as a dead body throughout night, 6 hours, 7 hours if you sleep. It is a shavam throughout night. That's why early morning people have to take bath, then only coffee. Ashaucham, no. Dead body means what? Ashaucham. Therefore, in Orthodox families and all, after waking up, they clean that place. Dead body thungita neat. Ipo bed clean pannaradhu. That's why they never used this beds and all. Kurlan bed and use panna daily wash panna mudiyuma. Angella konjam thanni chilichittu tudichidu apdiye they clean. They all know this. Namakku onnum puriyadhu adella. Anubhavacha. So, Ajnanam Atma iti vadataha. Idi parangu. Ajnana is called Atma. Aham Ajnaha. I am ignorant. We ourselves say, I am ignorant. So, Atma become what? Aham means Atma. I am self. Aham means I. I means what? Self. When you write the check, when you want money for your sake, what do you write? You know very well. Self and nan. Enakkuda in the padam. So aham means I means self, self means self, Atma. So aham ajnaha. Therefore, I the Atma is ignorant. Ajnanam is the nature of Atma. Therefore, Atma is equal to Ajnanam. Vadataha. Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. So, vadataha is what? This is grammar. Pradhama vibhakti, pradhama purusha, Divachanam. Prathama Purusha, lat Prathama Purusha Divachanam, vad dhatu. To speak. They speak like this. Vadataha. These people say Anandamaya is Atma, Anandamaya is. In that Anandamaya, I am ignorant. I don't know anything. Therefore, I am Atma, ignorant Atma, Ahamasmi. So, therefore, original, this Atma Ajnanam is Jadaswarupam. Therefore, I am Jada Ajnana Atma. I am Jada Ajnana Atma is the conclusion. Now comes to the next topic, second group of Mimamsakas. He says, consciousness comes now and then. This Pumro one Mimamsaka, this Mimamsaka, Prabhakar Mimamsaka says, consciousness comes now and then. When I am sleeping, I am Ajnaha. When I wake up, Jnaha. I am the knower. So, both are coming. So, both are coming means what? Jnanam and Ajnana. So, Ajnaha, he says, the consciousness come now and then. Close. Therefore, in sleep, we become Jadadravyam. In sleep, we become Jadadravyam, means inert substance. I, the Atma, become inert substance in sleep. Inert, Jadam. Jadam means that which cannot know anything. Desk is Jadam. Desk do not know, it is desk. Chair do not know, it is chair. Therefore, I also do not know, I am. Therefore, what? I am Jadaswarupa Ajnanam. Therefore, Aham Atma Jadaswarupaha. The conclusion. Great philosophers. They have followers. Next topic we'll read. 113. Now, Mimamskana, another view. See, one Putratmavadi, 3 Charvakas, 1 Buddhist Yogachara, 5 over, 6th Prabhakara Matam, 7th confusion we are seeing. 7th confusion is Bhatta Matam. Bhatta is a philosopher. Another Mimamsaka. Bhatta. Even when the Prabhakara Mishra, our pere Mishra. Prabhakara Mishra. Even when the Bhatta, Kumarila Bhatta. Now what we are going to read is another Mimamsaka. Very, very interesting. You don't find anywhere these many philosophers. Again we are going to see in Brahma Sutra. After 8 years only it will come. 5 years so. Okay. Bhattastu Prajnana Ghana Evanandamayaha Ityadi Shrutehe Sushuptau Prakasha Prakasham Sadbhavat Mam aham na janami iti. Mam aham na janami ityadi. Anubhavacha ajnana upahitam chaitanyam Atma iti vadati. So especially when we are coming to Vedanta class, we have to come with a fresh mind. நல்லா தூங்கிட்டு வரணும். அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவேன், அப்பப்போ ரிமைண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, you have to take rest properly and come to the class. So then you can grasp easily and you can enjoy the subject. That's why Vedantic student should not do any hard work. A person who does hard work is not fit for Vedanta. Jnana yogi must be எப்படி இருக்கணும், ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்கணும். அப்போதான் இதெல்லாம் உள்ளே போகும். இல்லைன்னு என்ன ஆகும், மேலே போயிடும், above head-ஆக போயிடும். So therefore, whenever you are coming to the class, take rest, give rest to the body as well as to the mind also. My selfishness, okay, I am very selfish in this manner. Okay, why I am selfish? You must listen and grasp the teaching fully. இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகிடும், எனக்கு கண்ட சோஷா இல்லையோ, கண்ட சோஷா ஆகிடும். That's why you should come fresh. லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் மறந்துட்டு வரக்கூடாது. ஃப்ரெஷ் சுவாமினி ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக வர சொன்னான்னு அதனால எல்லாமே ரிமூவ் பண்ணுன்னா, சப்ஜெக்ட் ரிமூவ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அது வேற ஃப்ரெஷ்னஸ். அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக வச்சுட்டு பாடி மைண்ட் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக வச்சுட்டு வரணும். ஓகே ஓகே, சைடு பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, டோன்ட் மிஸ்டேக் மீ. ஓகே, பாட்டஹாத்து குமாரீல பட்டா சேஸ் பிரஜானகன ஏவ ஆனந்தமய. And he goes, தைத்திரியம்லாம் இங்கே பாக்கி கிடையாது, தைத்திரியம் எல்லாம் முடிச்சாச்சு. He goes to Mandukya Upanishad. He take Mandukya Upanishad, another biggest Upanishad, wonderful Upanishad. He quotes, Prajnanaghana eva anandamaya. This is the mantra. Comes, all these Taittiriya quotations occur in Brahmananda Valli. In Taittiriya second Valli, that is. Here, Mandukya Upanishad, fifth mantra, इत्यादि श्रुतेः सुषुप्तौ प्रकाश अप्रकाश सद्भावात् माम अहम न जानामि. सुषुप्तौ, both are there. When I am sleeping, aham ajnah. When I wake up, I am jnah. That is why I am able to say I slept well. I was ignorant in sleep. Now what? I know that I was ignorant in my sleep. But don't sleep now. Okay. I was ignorant in my sleep. Who is saying? When in waking stage the waker says, I was ignorant in my sleep last night, that I know, now I am waker. So Jnanam was there, Ajnanam also is there. Ajnanam and Jnanam, both are there, mixture. Previous Prabhakara, what he said, only Ajnanam. Ivar enna solraru, mixture. That is the difference. Our Ajnanam Atma ni sonnaru, ivar Ajnanam Jnanam put together Atma annaru. That is what he says. Prakasha means jnanam. Aprakasha means ajnanam. And the minumunu puchi மாதிரி. minumunu puchi தெரியுமா? பின்னாடி லைட் இருக்கும், முன்னாடி லைட் இருக்காது. தெரியுமா? Glow worm. Night time if you see glow worm, it has brightness, prakasha at the back. Front side no prakasha, no illumination. So, that, like that, to me, the Atma also, I have one part brightness, one part darkness. Sleep low, I don't know anything. In waking stage, I know. I know that I don't know. I know what? That I don't know. When in sleep. Interesting இருக்கா? இருக்கணும். உங்க தூக்கம் பத்தி தான் பேசுறாரு. Shastra is talking about our sleep only. நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? ஸ்லீப்பிங் தான் தெரியும், எப்படி தூங்குறதுன்னு தெரிகிறது. But all our philosophers, they have analyzed elaborately about the sleep About the sleep, they have analyzed in which state sleep are. In waking state, they have analyzed about the sleep. Can you analyze the sleep in sleep? Channavartha puriyirada? Okay. What I am talking, are you following? Can you understand the sleep in sleep? No. Can you study about the sleep in sleep? No. I can study about the sleep in waking state alone. In waking state alone, I can study about the sleep. What is my understanding about the sleep? I was ignorant in my sleep. Now I am waker. I know that I was ignorant. I know he is in waking state. When I am talking this, in waking state, I know. What I know? I was ignorant in my sleep. I know. That's what he is telling here. Okay. Prakasha aprakasha sadbhavat. Sadbhavat means because of the existence of knowledge and because of the existence of ignorance. Both are there. I am the knower, I say when I wake up. Aham gnaha. Aham agnaha. There. So prakasha in sleep. So prakasha aprakasha sadbhavat. Mam aham na janami. I do not know my existence in the sleep. Na janami. Ityadi anubhavacha. Mam aham na janami. Parunga. Mam is which vibhakti? Ennai naan ariyalai. Ditya vibhakti. Aham mam. Aham avam vayam. Mam. Mam English mam கிடையாது. இப்போ தெரியறதா எதுக்கு கிராமர் என்ன? சான்ஸ்கிரிட் கிராமர். என்ன சுவாமினி சான்ஸ்கிரிட் இல்லைன்னா கூட மோட்சம் வரும்னு சொன்னாடி இல்லையோ? வராதுன்னு நான் சொல்லல. கிராமர் இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட வரும். பட் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு என்ஜாய் மோர் அண்ட் மோர், கிராமர் இஸ் I am not pointing out anybody here, okay? If you know, it is well and good. Mam, aham. இந்த ரெண்டு பாருங்க. What a grammar status you see. Aham is dakarantaha trishulingeshu samana rupaha asmat shabdaha aham. Non meaning. Nanu bannu sollakudadu, okay? Non. Mam na janami. Non ennai. Mam. Mam is again dakarantaha trishulingeshu samana rupaha asmat shabdaha ditiya vibhakti ekavachana. First aham is prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Non ennai na. Mam. Aham mam na janami. Non ennai ariyalai. Enge தூக்கத்தில். I do not know myself. So that's why language is very, very important. Therefore, there is no old age for study. Understand? If you study, I will tell you, you will become more young. Not joking. Really, I am telling. Even an 80-year-old person can become an 18-year-old student if you enter into study. We are not at all old. A student feel always younger. The study makes you more and more younger. That's why there is no age bar. Okay? There is no age bar. Don't think you are young. Okay? So Shuptaus in sleep, there is knowledge and ignorance. Ignorance in sleep. And while waking, I have knowledge. Ityadi anubhavacha ajnane upahitam chaitanyam atma iti vadati. What he says, the second group, Mimamsaka, Kumarila Bhatta, says, what Atma is not totally jadam in sleep. What he said is previous. Not totally jadam, not totally chaitanyam. என்ன அங்கே ஜடம், இங்கே சைத்தன்யம். அங்கே என்ன, இங்கே ஸ்லீப். இங்கே என்ன, இங்கே వేకింగ్ స్టేట్. సో అంగే జడం, ఇంగే చైతన్యం. సో ఇప్పుడు నానన్న యారు? నాను జడము చైతన్యం. ఐఎమ్ ఇనర్ట్ అండ్ సెన్షియంట్. సో బోత్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఓన్లీ. அதுதான் he says. ఉపహితం చైతన్యం, అజ్ఞాన ఉపహితం చైతన్యం. అజ్ఞాన ఉపహితం అన్న జడం, చైతన్యం అన్న సెన్షియంట్, ఆత్మ. సో అజ్ఞాన జ్ఞాన మిశ్రం ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆత్మ. Prabhakara people say Atma is Jadam, totally inert, totally insentient. Prabhakara says Jada Ajadam, both. Atma is not totally what we say. We the Vedantin says Atma is sentient. Ever Chaitanyam sentient. What this Bhatta says, Kumarila Bhatta, I am not like Prabhakara, I am not like Vedantin. I am mixture. Vedantins, Advaiti says Atma is sentient. Chaitanyam, ever Chaitanyam, eternally sentient. How they can say? When I am asleep, I am Jadam. How can they say Atma is sentient? Therefore, I negate Vedantins. In the Prabhakara Matam says totally Jadam. When I wake up, I am sentient. How can I say totally Jadam? Therefore, I am neither totally inert. Inert anna Jadam. Jadam anna inert. Inert anna spelling INERT. So, inert kadiyadu, sentient kadiyadu. Sentient like Vedantin சொன்ன மாதிரி கிடையாது. ஜடம் லைக் பிராபாகர மத்தமும் கிடையாது. நான் தனி, மை ரூட்டே தனி. என்ன ரூட் அப்பா? மிக்ஸ்சர். ஜட அஜட அர்த்தம். Here our Atma, it is definition is he gives, it is mixture of jada and chetanam. Ada prajnana ghana chaitanyam. That's what he says. Prajnana ghana eva anandamayaha. Prajnanam comes under sentience. Ghanam comes under Jadam. So Prajnana Ghanam Upanishad says. Therefore, I have Upanishad support. Anubhava is also there. Yukti is also there. Therefore, my conclusion is this. Like a Minumudu Puchi Madri. The Minumudu Puchi philosophy. Okay? Front side dark. Back side light. Minumudu Puchi philosophy, Kumarila Bhatta. You are Mimamsaka. Okay. What is the proof on a deep sleep? He said that means the consciousness is in the Sushupti also. Chetana, Achetana, Sadbhavam irukka. Sushupti and waking state, Chetana, Achetana, Sadbhavam is there. This is the Yukti Pramanam, logic, Anubhava Pramanam. Mam aham na janami is Anubhava Pramanam. Okay? Now comes the next. What next? Enough. Enough illa innor confusion irukku. Another confusion. That confusion we'll read now. See, we have to study about the confusions also. Why you have to study about the confusions? Because to know that we are not confused. Our understanding is not confused. I am right and theriyanamna, others are confused and theriyanam. Yen confused and kuda theriyanam. I should know why right is right, why wrong is wrong. Aside point. Puja Swamiji says, Dayanand Swamiji. What he says? Ye bhi theek hai, wo bhi theek hai. See, one student bring a right answer. Mathematics. ஒரு கணக்கு பண்ணி மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒரு ரைட் ஆன்சரோட வந்தார். டீச்சர் கிவ்ஸ் 100 marks. Another student come with wrong answer. Teacher says, okay, you also right. ये भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है. Is it possible? Can any mathematics teacher can do that? Mathematics teacher is a teacher when she knows why this sum is wrong, why this sum is right. AVTK, OVTK, and students won't come next day. In the teacher ke to tagararu problem, no student will stay in the class. That's why AVTK, OVTK nahi chalta hai. It won't work. All religions will not lead to the same goal, won't work. People say, no, this religion also okay, that religion also okay. All religions lead to same goal. Pujya Swamiji says, who said? Who said all religions will lead to same goal? A bhi ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है. It will never work. Only one thing can be right. That is Advaitam. It's a mistake. Now he is going to present Shunyavadi. Apara Bauddhaha. This another Bauddha, Shunyavadi, is another sect of Buddhists. What he is going to say, na, Atma me kadiyadu Shunyam da ella me na. Ivaru Pahityam. That we'll see next class. Okay. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.